Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to start class 2 math book and the chapter number 1 is whole number. So let's start. In chapter number 1 first we discuss the orders numbers is ascending order or descending order. Ascending orders means we arrange the numbers in forward counting like that 1 2 3 4, and in descending orders we arrange the numbers in backward counting, for example 10 9 8 and so on. So let's start with me. These numbers are given when we arrange in descending orders are. So the sequence are 6, 11, 17, 32, 49, 82. In the next part B, we arrange the numbers like that 14, 19, 27, 78, 86, 87. Next, in part C, we arrange the numbers in ascending orders are 13, 72, 99, 144, 467, 512. And in part D, 6, 54, 98, 230, 471 and 826. So these are the solutions of or all these questions. Now we move on to the descending orders are for the A part is 68, 66, 63, 41, 37, 14. In the B part we see that arranged numbers in descending orders are 100, 99, 77, 58, 49 and 2. And in C part 325, 177, 85, 82, 49, 6. And in D part, we arrange the numbers in descending orders are 996, 569, 198, 93, 92, and 39. So, this page is now completed. So, we move on the next page. So, in the next page, we see that the how many tens and how many ones count and write. So, in this picture, we see that the 1 tens, this picture represent tens, and these pencils are single pencils are represent the 1. So these are the 1 tens and 3 ones, so the number is 13. In this picture we see that the 2 tens and 6 ones, so the number is 26. Similarly we see that in this picture we see the 2 tens and 2 ones, so the number is 22. Next picture we see that 4 tens and 4 ones, so the number is 44. Come on the E part, we see that 6 tens and 6 ones, so the number is 66. Now the F part, we see that the 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9 ones. So the number is 59. So come on the next page. We see that the write the numbers according to the place values. 3 tens, 6 ones, so the number is 36. 0 tens, 6 ones, so the number is 06. 5 tens, 3 ones makes number 53. 2 tens and 7 ones make number 27. 8 tens and 0 ones make number 80. 9 tens and 9 ones make number 99. 6 tens and 8 ones number is make number 68. 1 10 and 1 1, so the number is 11. Write the words, write in words. 4 tens and 5 ones number is 45, we write in words. So in the next 7 tens and 2 ones we write in number in words, the number is 72. Next 3 9 and 3 tens and 9 ones, so the number is 39. 8 tens and 4 ones, so the number is 84. 2 tens and 8 ones makes number 28. 9 tens and 0 1 makes 90. 5 tens and 7 ones makes number 57. So this page is now completed. So now we move on the next page. On the next page we see that the how many tens and how many ones, but we can see the abacus and complete these empty boxes. In the abacus we see that the on the tens column we see that the number 5, and on the one row we see that the 3 ones. So we can another way 5 tens and 3 ones, or we can another right way to this one, that I mean in the form of addition we can write 50 at 3. Same pattern we see in this picture. We can here 8 tens and 2 ones, so the number is 82. We can write 80 plus 2 or 8 tens and 2 ones. Same next picture we see that the number is 66. We can write in the two ways, that 60 plus 6 or 6 tens and 6 ones. On the next column we see that the 2 tens and 9 ones. We can write 2 tens and 9 ones. So another way to write this 20 plus 9. Same pattern, 97 numbers makes 9 tens 7 ones, so 90 plus 7. So in the last we can see that the some numbers are given. We can arrange in ascending order or descending order, and this ascending order is that 38, 55, 63, 72 and 96, and the descending order is that 96, 72, 63, 55 and 38. So over this page is now completed. So we have to move on the next page. And on the next page we see that the hundreds, tens and ones. Basically this picture represents 110. This count and write this is a 10 tens. 10 tens makes 100. So in this picture we see that the 110, 100, 110 and 3 ones. So draws also on abacus, so the number is 1113. Same we can see 100, 3 tens and 7 ones. We can draw on abacus and makes number is 137. Same. Move on the next part. We see that the 200 and 1 tens and 2 ones. So the number is 212 and we can draw also on the abacus. Same. Next we see that the 200s, 4 tens and 1 1. So the number is 241 and we can draw on abacus like this one. Come on the E part, we see that the 300s, 1 tens and 8 ones. So the number is 318 and also we should have to draw is on abacus. So this page is now completed. So now we should have to move on the next page and we should have to see that the 400s, 3 tens and 1 1. So the number is 431. Next we see that 600, 9 tens and 3 1. So the number is 693. Next we see that the 500s, 5 tens and 5 ones. So the number is 555. Next we see that the 800s, 3 tens and 3 ones. So the number is 833. Next we see that the 900s, 1 tens and 6 ones. So the number is 916. Come on the last part, we see that the 700, 6 tens and 7 ones. So the number is 761. In this way we complete this page. Now come on the next page, we see that the write in 100 tens and ones and then draws on the abacus. So numbers are given, basically number are given. We write in 100s, 1 tens and 3 ones. So draws on abacus look like this. Next picture, next we write 800s, 4 tens, 1 ones and draws on abacus like this. 500s, 9 tens, 3 ones draws on abacus look like this. 600s, 2 tens, 0 ones draws on abacus look like this. 400s, 1 tens, 9 ones. Similarly we can write F and G parts. 700s, 5 tens and 8 ones draws on abacus. And 300s, 0 tens and 2 ones and draws on abacus look like this one. So over this page are now completed. So move on the next page. On the next page we see that the write the numbers does each abacus should write in abacus. We count these balls. So the number is 5, 2 and 7. Similarly we count overall about 100 tens and 1. So the number is 854. Next we count these all balls. So the number is 297. Next count these balls. So the numbers are 640. Next count or all balls. So the number is 209. Next we count all these balls. So the answer is 961. Next we count these balls. So the answer is 737. Next, draw beads on the abacus to shows on the these number. Next number is given, but we can draw balls on 100, 10 and 1. Look like this one. Same, we draw on 101 ball and 2 ball draws on 1000 and 3 ball draws on zeros column, ones column. Look like same, we can and done all these parts from B to F. F look like this one. So over this page are now completed. We are move on the next page. On the next page we see that the number is given 300 and we can write in number in words. Look like 300, 500, 100, 800, 400, 900, 600, 200. So this page is now are also completed. So we are moved to on next page. Next page we see that the before, after and number. What number comes before? Before means that we write one number before comes 341 before number 341, 361 before number 860, 306 before number is 305, 528 before number is 527, 430 before number is 429, 610 before number is 69, and 100 before number is 99, 996, 96 the number that comes before is 995. Similarly we done 747. What's the number comes before? 746. In the next we see that the 200 comes before 201. 584 comes before the number 585. Similarly 114 what number comes? So the 113. Similarly 749 comes before then 750. 332 comes before, then 333. Similarly, 898 comes before, then 819. In this way, we complete these numbers. Come on, the next number, 129 means what comes number after then. So 129, the next number is 130. 634, the next number is 635. 548, so the next number is 549. 499, so the next number is 500. 217, so the next number is 218. 349, so the next number is 350. 109, so the next number is 1110. 909, so the next number is 910. 848, so the next number is 847. 799, so the next number is 800. 198, so the next number is 199. 208, 208, so the next number is 299. 554, so the next number is 555. 607, so the next number is 608. So the next number is 199, so the next number is 200. In this way, we complete these numbers. So the next one is the what numbers comes in between the two number 553 and 555. So the between number is 554, 799 and 801. So the between number is 800, 319, 321. So the between number is 320, 606 and 608. So the between number is 607, 989 and 991. So the between number is 990, 448 and 450. So the between number is 449. 232 and 234. So the between number is 233. 121 and 123. So the between number is 122. 708 and 710. So the between number is 709. 199 and 201. So the between number is 200. 865 and 867. So the between number is 866. 997 and 999. So the between number is 998. 474 and 476. So the between number is 475, 399 and 401. So the between number is 400, 256 and 258. So the between number is 257. So in this way we complete this page. What the numbers comes before, after and between. Come on the next page. On the next page we see that the less than or greater than the concept. In this picture we see that the 28 is less than 249 because 28 is less number. On the other hand, similarly, we complete this picture. 35 less than 548, 47 less than 342, 809 is greater than 79, 67 less than 563, 219 is less than greater than 20, 981 greater than 81, 40 is less than 450, 819 is greater than 92, and 92 is less than 589, 633 is greater than 33, 34 is less than 481, and 67 is less than 243. So come on the next page, we see that the 562 is greater than 543. Similarly, we complete this numbers are 552 is greater than 631, 386 is less than 390, 159 is greater than 111, 496 is less than 582. 848 is less than 851, 274 is greater than 259, 998 is greater than 998, 649 is less than 814, 493 is greater than 439, 371 is less than 394, 792 is greater than 773, 339 is less than 514. So move on the next page. On the next page, some concepts or less or greater. So let's start with me. 496 is greater than 492, 392 is greater than 329, is greater than 328, 547 is greater than 536, 692 is less than 792, 786 is greater than 781, 673 is less than 678, 991 is greater than 990, 219 is less than 224, 841 is greater than 759, 946 is greater than 649, 548 is greater than 147, 825 is greater than 823, 381 is less than 389, 110 is less than 263, 482 is less than 490. So on the next page we see that the sum ascending and descending order. So let's with me we arrange these numbers in ascending orders are 431, 573, 624, 849, 871 and 900. Under B part we write numbers as 687, 692, 729, 748, 750 and 901. So move on the part C. 329, 338, 420, 571, 600 and 710. Come on the D part. 809, 890, 908, 980, 997 and 998. Come on the E part. 559, 621, 624, 629, 738 and 783. So now come on the F part. 139, 146, 164, 193, 379 and 397. So after completed all the numbers in ascending orders, so okay, the greatest number on this page, for all the numbers you can see in those page, so the greatest number is 998. So here, and the smallest number on this page is 139. So here we can see that. So over this page is now completed. So we move on the next page. On the next page we see that some numbers are given and we can write it on the descending order. So let's start with me. 950, 841, 749, 642, 624 and 590. Come on the B part. 864, 790, 684, 542, 531 and 513. Come on the C part. 281, 248, 232, 223, 218 and 110. Come on the D part. 669, 854, 796, 769, 754 and 669. Come on the E part. 914, 491, 482, 419, 399 and 194. Come on the F part. 849, 742, 740, 656, 407 and 247. So this page is now completed. We arrange all these numbers in descending orders. So move on the next page. Next page we see that the right in the 100, tens and 1 numbers are given. We can write as 300, 5 tens and 1 ones, 6. So the next number is 693. We can write as 6 hundreds, 9 tens, 3 ones. So next number is 409. So we can write as 400, 0 tens and 9 ones. So next number is 984. So we can write as 900, 8 tens and 4 ones. So what number shows on the abacus? We count 2 on hundreds, 5 on tens and 3 on ones. Similarly, we can write so the answers of B, C and D parts are 628, 406 and 185. So what the numbers that are? So greater than 688 and less than 695. So these numbers are 689, 690, 691, 692, 693 and 694. So less than 800 and greater than 790. So the numbers are 799, 798, 797, 796, 795, 794, 793, 792 and 791. So in the C part we see that the what numbers are less than 554 and greater than 547. So the numbers are 553, 552, 551, 550, 549 and 548. So in the next we see that less or greater sign. So 496 is greater than 492, 531 is greater than 351. 638 is greater than 599, 109 is less than 190, 237 is greater than 231 and 385 is less than 496. So move on the next page. On the next page we see that the numbers name. Numbers are given 209. We can write in numbers 209. Similarly we can write 671 and in the C part we can write as 840 because the number is 840. Similarly write the numbers 326 written as 507. We can write as 507. 420 we can write as 420. So the next we can see that the numbers 206 tens and 41. We can make the number 264. Similarly we can write this one 999. Similarly 430. Similarly next we can write 508 means 508. Next we can write 701 701. Next we can write 352 352. Similarly we count the numbers on the abacus and make the number. So the answers are 419, 280, 706 and 548. So move on the next page. On the next page we can see that the less and greater signs 492 is greater than 381, 829 is less than 928, 284 is less than 291, 361 is less than 363, 673 is greater than 573, and 169 is greater than 162. So the next one is, see that some numbers are given and we can arrange in ascending order and descending order. So the ascending order arrange like that: 307, 318, 322, 347, 354, 368, 381, and 392. And some numbers are given and we can write in descending order are 392, 381, 368, 354, 347, 322, 318, and 307. So some numbers are given. What numbers comes before 362? The before number is 361. 417, so the before number is 416. 738, so the before number is 737. 109, so the before number is 118. So the next number is 241, so the before number is 249. So the next one is the after 337, so the next number is 338. 565, so the next number is 566. 274, so the next number is 275. 484, so the next number is 485. 362, so the next number is 363. So the next one is the between number 592 and 594, so the between number is 593. 156 and 158, so the between number is 157. 853 and 855, so the between number is 854. 327 and 329, so the between number is 328. 118 and 120, so the between number is 119. So in this way we complete this chapter complete for class 2. Thanks for watching my video. Click the like button if you enjoy the video and please subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.